Hey guys, my name is Selena, and today I have an amazing video. I'm going to be doing an experiment on my channel. Anastasia is not here right now, but she will be. She just needs to get something in my home, but we are outside in the beautiful nature. It's starting to get hot now. It's not cold anymore. Like I said in my first video, testing out $4 gel pens, but now we will be testing it out. We will be doing an experiment. Please subscribe down below so then you'll never miss an experiment video, a doll video, any kind of video at all. So let's get started on my video. Okay guys, so this is and now, so we got a lighter, and I got a mini lighter. And you guys need to have supervision with this. We're doing it unsupervised, but you guys need to do it unsupervised. So, let's get this started. So, as you can see, we got this. Hi, Bria.
We're gonna wrap the tree with this. That's what we do.
I'll pause it. Okay, so we're back, and my sister's gonna be helping me. So we got a dry leaf, which I think is gonna burn the most, and a moist, nice leaf. But I'm gonna go for the better leaf. Yep. This is the best leaf I can find.
Yeah.
No, there's more.
This knife is lighter.
Yes, it is.
And
Look.
like we told you, we are unsupervised, and you need to be supervised.
Wow.
That and this lighter. You guys need to be supervised. So,
Okay, so
this is super dangerous.
okay, so we're gonna get it up close. Okay, so first we're gonna try this.
Because I didn't do it so long. Same.
What happened?
Nothing. I was scared because I thought the lighter was going to...
So this is that failed, and now this is definitely gonna light on fire. No doubt. No, I wanted this to go on for longer.
Okay.
So that actually worked, and I want to show my viewers. So keep it. It went on fire.
Let's try it again.
Only one more time.
Okay.
Jeez, this lighter's awesome. We cannot do this around parents. What's the other? Awesome! God, this is awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna grab a branch, and if it lights on fire, I'm gonna put it on the ground and stomp on it.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Ready? I got this.
Okay.
So gimme.
Oh,
A
man.
little favor.
Do it in front of the branch.
Of course we will. Oh,
Oh,
it's on fire.
Go. There we go.
It's on fire. It's totally on fire. Oh my gosh, stop.
No.
Viewers were supposed to see Stasia. It's on fire. Stasia, that's a bit too down. That didn't even work. Oh, stop. Okay, stop.
No, because it needs to stay on fire because I'm going to go down a little more.
There we go.
Yeah, now that's totally on fire. Guys, look.
I'm gonna try
It's kinda on
something too.
fire.
Let me grab a stick. I'll do mine by myself. I'll break a stick. And this is just going. Ow! Look, that hurt. They're getting that stick, and I'm getting this one.
It totally broke off, you guys.
Oh man!
Here, let me try
have
with
a
the
really
lighter.
good back.
Why not use that lighter since
Yeah,
you're
we
good
have
at
a
that?
beautiful background.
Okay, ready?
I'm happy that we're editing.
Okay, ready? I think we should do this.
And this will be our first editing video.
I know how to edit.
Yeah, so she's gonna be editing.
Oh man, I got it. How did you? I'm turn it around.
I think I should do a makeup video out here. What do you think, Cece?
I don't know. Do what you want.
Got it. Oh man.
Okay. So thank you guys for watching this beautiful nature video. No, no, that's actually important. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned, please.
Oh God.
Just please stay tuned, and we'll be doing more videos. Comment down below what you think that we should be doing. And so, without further ado, we're wrapping up this video.
Got it. Oh man.
Bye.